Hello my dear little ones, welcome you all to our today's EVS class. What we discussed in our last session? Yes, we discussed about the activities we have to do to keep our well water clean. Dear children, did you study the topic? Okay, are you ready for our today's class? Today we have reached the situation of being forced to buy pure water for drinking. Mostly in cities, pure water is carried through pipelines and we have to pay for this on the basis of the quantity of water we used. So, we have to conserve water by controlling the use and preventing water pollution. There are several ways to purify water. In schools and colleges and in other institutions, we use water purifier to purify drinking water. And we can purify the water by using a simple method that is given in your textbook of page number 44. What is that method? Yes, three-ported sieve. In Malayalam, the method is called as Muchatti Arippa. The things that are used for making this three-ported sieve are 3 earthen pots or 3 coconut shell, gravel, sand, burnt coconut flakes or shell, a vessel, muddy water, and a thin rope to tie 3 earthen pots. As shown in the picture, we have to arrange the 3 earthen pots using a rope. At first, we have to put a small hole at the bottom of 3 earthen pots. Then, arrange the 3 earthen pots as shown in the video. Then take gravel, sand and burnt coconut flakes. At first, we have to put some gravel in the pot that is arranged at the top. Then we have to put some sand in the pot that is arranged at the middle of the three-potted sieve. Then at last add some burnt coconut flakes in the pot that is arranged at the bottom of the three-potted sieve. Then we have to place a vessel below the pot that is arranged at the bottom of the three-potted sieve. Then pour some muddy water in the pot that is placed at the top of the three-potted sieve. Look here my dear children, here we can see the water drops which falls into the middle pot, and from the middle pot the water drops is falling into the pot that is placed at the bottom of the three-potted sieve. We know that in the last pot we placed some burnt coconut flakes, and from the third pot we can get the clear and clean water drops. So here we can get clear and clean water from muddy water. So like this method we can also purify water. Dear children, all of you should do this in your home, okay? Dear children, did you understand how to make three-potted sieve? Okay, very good. So today we discussed about one of the method which is used to purify water. What is the method? Yes, by using three-potted sieve. Okay, my dears, see you in the next class. Thank you.